There's something special about using a pen you crafted yourself. It's not just a writing tool, it's a piece of your own creativity. Custom pen making has surged in popularity, captivating both seasoned woodworkers and enthusiastic beginners. The process is surprisingly straightforward, allowing you to transform simple materials into elegant and personalized writing instruments. One particularly unique and rewarding project is crafting a Big Ben cigar pen. As the name suggests, this involves repurposing a cigar tube into a pen body, resulting in a conversation-starting piece with a touch of history and character. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore the process of making your own Big Ben cigar pen, even if you're new to wood turning. With a bit of patience and the right guidance, you'll be amazed at the beautiful and functional pen you can create. So, let's gather our tools and embark on this rewarding woodworking journey. Before we dive into crafting our Big Ben pen, let's gather the necessary tools and materials. Having everything prepped and ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. First and foremost, you'll need a sturdy wood lathe. This is the heart of pen turning, allowing you to shape the pen body with precision. Next, a set of sharp turning tools is essential for cutting, shaping, and smoothing the wood. Invest in a quality set designed specifically for pen turning. Now, for the star of the show, the cigar tube. Look for a sturdy tube with an interesting label or design that catches your eye. You can often find unique cigar tubes at tobacco shops or online. Additionally, you'll need a pen kit, which includes the internal mechanisms for your pen, such as the ink cartridge, refill, and writing tip. Finally, gather sandpaper in various grits for sanding and finishing your pen, as well as wood glue to secure the pen mechanism. With these supplies in hand, you're well on your way to crafting a one-of-a-kind writing instrument. The first step in creating our Big Ben pen is preparing the cigar tube. Start by carefully removing the label from the tube. You can do this by gently peeling it off or using a heat gun or hairdryer to loosen the adhesive. Once the label is removed, inspect the tube for any imperfections or rough edges. Lightly sand any rough spots to ensure a smooth surface for the pen blank. Next, we need to cut the cigar tube to the appropriate length for our pen. Measure the length of the brass tube included in your pen kit. This will determine the length of your pen blank. Mark the cigar tube to the desired length and carefully cut it using a fine-toothed saw or a tube cutter. After cutting, lightly sand the edges of the tube to remove any sharp burrs. Now, we're ready to move on to mounting the cigar tube onto the pen mandrel. Section 4. Turning the cigar tube. With the cigar tube prepared, it's time for the exciting part, turning it on the lathe. Begin by securing the pen mandrel, with the cigar tube mounted on it, onto your lathe. Ensure it's held firmly and securely to prevent any wobbling during the turning process. Next, set your lathe to a low speed and begin shaping the cigar tube using your turning tools. Start with roughing gouges to remove excess material and create the basic cylindrical shape of the pen body. Work slowly and carefully, taking light passes to avoid damaging the cigar tube. As you refine the shape, gradually increase the lathe speed and switch to skew chisels or spindle gouges for finer shaping and smoothing. Remember to keep your tools sharp for clean cuts and a smooth finish. With patience and practice, you'll achieve a beautifully turned pen body. Section 5. Shaping the cigar pen. Now that we have the basic cylindrical shape, let's add some character to our cigar pen. This is where your creativity comes into play. Using various turning tools, you can create unique curves, tapers, or embellishments to personalize your pen design. For a classic Big Ben look, consider adding a subtle taper towards the writing end of the pen. This creates an elegant and comfortable grip. You can also experiment with different profiles along the length of the pen body, adding gentle curves or subtle indentations for a more intricate design. Remember to work gradually, making small adjustments with each pass of the tool. Regularly check the symmetry and overall balance of the design as you shape the pen. With each cut, you'll see your unique Big Ben pen come to life. Section 6. Applying the finish. With the shaping complete, it's time to add a beautiful finish to our cigar pen. A good finish not only enhances the pen's appearance but also protects the wood and preserves its beauty for years to come. Begin by sanding the pen body thoroughly, starting with a coarser grit sandpaper and gradually moving to finer grits. This will ensure a smooth surface for the finish to adhere to. Once sanded, remove any dust or debris with a tack cloth. Now, you can apply your chosen finish. For a natural look that highlights the wood grain, consider using a clear oil-based finish. If you prefer a more durable and water-resistant finish, a polyurethane varnish is a good option. Apply the finish in thin, even coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Once the final coat of finish has dried, lightly buff the pen with a soft cloth for a beautiful shine. Finally, assemble the pen kit according to the manufacturer's instructions, attaching the writing tip, ink cartridge, and other components. Section 7. The Satisfaction of Creation. Congratulations! You've just crafted your very own Big Ben Cigar Pen, a unique and conversation-starting writing instrument that reflects your creativity and craftsmanship. The satisfaction of turning a simple cigar tube into a beautiful and functional pen is truly rewarding. Holding your finished pen in your hand, you'll appreciate the journey from start to finish. From selecting the perfect cigar tube to carefully shaping and finishing the wood. It's a testament to the magic of woodworking and the joy of creating something with your own two hands. Now it's time to put your new pen to good use. Whether you use it for writing, sketching, or simply admire its beauty, your Big Ben pen is a reminder of the creative potential within you. And who knows, this project might just spark a passion for pen making, leading you to explore endless design possibilities and craft even more unique and personalized writing instruments. So, go ahead and embrace the world of custom pen making. You might just surprise yourself with what you can create. In this chapter, we'll explore the final touches and presentation of the Big Ben Cigar Pen. You've put in the hard work and now it's time to admire the fruits of your labor. First, let's take a detailed look at the pen's features. Notice the smooth, polished finish that brings out the natural beauty of the wood. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with every curve and contour meticulously shaped to perfection. The brass accents add a touch of elegance, making this pen not just a writing instrument but a piece of art. Next, we'll demonstrate its use. As you glide the pen across the paper, you'll feel the smooth flow of ink, a testament to its quality. Whether you're jotting down notes, sketching, or signing important documents, this pen performs flawlessly, adding a touch of sophistication to every stroke. But craftsmanship doesn't end with creation. Maintaining the quality of your Big Ben cigar pen is essential to ensure it lasts a lifetime. Here are some tips. Always store your pen in a protective case when not in use, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, and periodically clean the nib to prevent ink buildup. With proper care, your pen will remain a cherished possession for years to come. So take a moment to appreciate the artistry and skill that went into crafting your Big Ben cigar pen. It's more than just a pen. It's a symbol of your creativity and dedication. Enjoy writing with it and let it inspire you to continue exploring the world of custom pen making. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy crafting!